Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Calendly embed into Webflow for scheduling UI, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Navigate to the event type you wish to embed. Click on the share button located on the top right. Select add to website from the drop-down menu. Choose the embed in a web page option. You will see different embed options. Select the one that fits your design needs. Copy the provided embed code. Next, log into your Webflow account. Open the project where you want to add the Calendly scheduling UI. In the Webflow Designer, navigate to the page where you want the embed to appear. Drag and drop an embed element from the Add panel onto your page. Click on the embed element to open the code editor. Paste the Calendly embed code that you copied earlier. Click Save and Close to apply your changes. Preview your Webflow project to ensure the embed appears correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to the size or placement of the embed element. Publish your Webflow site to make the Calendly scheduling UI live. Test the scheduling functionality to ensure it works as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.